Last month, I headed to Newport, Rhode Island on a business trip to visit the 26 North Yachts office and to attend the Newport International Boat Show for the first time. Newport is steeped in maritime tradition, and seeing the iconic shoreline from above set the perfect tone for what is about to come. A week filled with boats, inspiration, and meeting passionate people in the yachting world. And this is the Marriott that I'm staying at, which is right across the street from the aquarium. Well, hi everyone. So this trip is actually going to be a solo trip. This is just me, and I look terrible because I've been flying all day. I am at the Newport Boat Show, actually for work, and but I am going to try to get a couple tours in. We have a 38 Sabre in the show, so we'll take you on that as well. I've never been to Newport, Rhode Island before. I'm staying at the Marriott downtown, and the GM was nice enough to squeeze me in because I didn't want to stay in some place I didn't know. And so I'm going to give you a quick tour of my room here. Camera around. This is where I walked in, and this is the lovely bathroom. It's very nice. Actually, I'll make it look like there's a hole. I'm not sure what. That's just a chip of some sort. And this is the room. It's very nice. These rooms were actually going for over $800 for the boat show, and he was nice enough to give me a pretty good rate. Big TV, and I got a little seating area here, and this hotel is right on the water, so that's pretty cool, walking distance to the show. And then I'm going to show you my view here. Yeah, the corridor. That is the first time I think I've ever seen that, except for in an Embassy Suites. So I'll be keeping my curtains closed. But anyhow, I am going to head to my office right now, and then tomorrow and Friday walk the show, and then I come home on Saturday. So hopefully I'm going to bring you some tours. We shall find out. In case you're curious about what my room is like, this is my room here, and it faces that. The show is so walkable. I'm literally less than 10 minutes from the show. As you can see, a bunch of boat show guys walking. My building is just straight over there. So that is one thing I really do like about Newport. So I just got to Newport, and this is a really cute little, reminds me a lot of Annapolis. So I'm gonna walk down here. I might grab a bite to eat. Just check it out. I will say the weather is fantastic here. I'm actually wearing a dress today. It's nice and warm. It's gonna be in the upper 70s. Cannot beat that. So I'm excited to be out of the wet, rainy season and the humidity, so it's very delightful, as my brother would say. So the show is really big. If you are looking for center console, fishing boats, they've got it. And then this is another big section that Denison has, and I came from way over there. So definitely going to come back and do this show with Scott. And I just ran into subscribers of ours, Lee and Bob, and it was great to meet you, and thank you guys for watching our channel. It means a lot to us.
Yep, 2022.
I love the in-water boat show.
One of the highlights of the trip was touring a 2013 Sabre Salon Express 38. Built in Maine, this Sabre perfectly blends traditional Down East craftsmanship with modern performance and luxury. The open salon, spacious cockpit, and efficient Volvo Penta IPS drives make it ideal for cruising New England's waters. It features elegant cherrywood interior, well-appointed galley, and a comfortable master stateroom. This boat is currently located here in New England and is asking $399,000, a superb opportunity for anyone looking for a premium express cruiser with timeless style. So this is the American Tug, and it is 18.6, and it might work for the loop. This definitely would not work for the loop. Again, it's pretty quiet today, but I'm actually working. This is another really cute Marriott. Never heard of it. That could be a loop boat too. And what's also interesting is that this entire show is actually at a fuel dock. So obviously nobody can get fuel. And they do have a pretty large sailboat section. So, kind of a best of both worlds. I have not seen any catamarans. So these might be all monohulls is what I'm guessing. Or at least so far, this is all I'm seeing. Oh, there's one cat right there. So you can get food here, but they do have catamarans. I didn't see these catamarans. So you got Lagoon, Excess. I don't know what Sapphire is, but that is quite the mast.
Yeah, they're designed to be.
So not a lot, but they do have some, and then you have more vendors down this way. The next boat I toured was a 2024 Delta 48 Coupe, a sleek Scandinavian-designed yacht that turns heads everywhere it goes. This model is built using lightweight carbon fiber, giving it both speed and exceptional fuel efficiency. The interior is minimalist yet luxurious, with panoramic windows, an airy salon, and smart use of space throughout. While there wasn't an official price listed, similar models from other dealers are priced about $1.5 million. It's a modern cruising yacht that blends innovation, performance, and striking aesthetics. So we'll just kind of go on another tour, see what else is here. This is a beautiful boat called Steeler. Never heard of it. This is another beautiful boat, but as you know, we are on the hunt for a loop boat, and I don't know if we're going to find one in the next year, but we are looking. But I'm going to guess that most of these are out of our price range. Check out this cool houseboat. That is awesome. That is probably more our style. And I just ran into yet another couple that recognized me, and that was Mike and Lynn. Very nice to meet you. And you know, we're super humbled whenever anybody recognizes us. I remember the first time it happened was at a Seattle boat show, and it's happened in Sarasota. It happened at my first Palm Beach show. So we really do appreciate it when you guys reach out to us and say hi. It really does mean a lot to us because we're very humbled. We're not big YouTubers. We're documenting our journey because we know we're going to be boating again soon. And this is how we're going to remember that. And while I'm here, check out these gorgeous catamarans. This is the XS and the Lagoon. So, what a treat. After a long day at the show, I wandered through the wharf and downtown Newport in search of dinner. The cobblestone streets and waterfront views and historic charm made the evening stroll unforgettable. I eventually stumbled upon a cozy tavern next to my hotel called The Quencher. The atmosphere was warm and welcoming, the service was fantastic, and the food did not disappoint. I ordered a chicken sandwich topped with arugula and a light lemon vinaigrette. Simple, fresh, and absolutely delicious. If you're ever in Newport, I definitely recommend stopping by this spot. As the camera pans across the show, you'll see why I totally fell in love with Newport. From the charming historic streets to the bustling docks filled with boats of every size, it's a destination that captures the heart of every boater. I can't wait to come back with Scott and explore even more of what this little town has to offer. If you haven't been to this show before, I highly recommend it. There's truly something for everyone. As always, thank you for following our journey. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. We love hearing from you, and we'll see you next week at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show.